Hi everyone, this is Shanetta with Main Course Encouragement, and we are so excited to try out Mila Eve Essentials. So let's get inside of this unboxing. Not only were we satisfied with the shipping, but we were also satisfied with how our oils were packaged. We had no complaints, we had no oils spilled or anything. It's just absolutely beautiful, and we love what Monique Samuels has done. Not only does she care about our health and what we can do with old school remedies and things that are right here on the earth, she cares about how we review and how we feel about something that we are investing in. I'm so excited about all of these oils, including Matthew, and we are going to use these every single day, I truly believe, for maintenance. You all know that we love herbal tea, we love to take our supplements, and this is no different. The high quality, the packaging, everything just made us feel great and made us feel as though we were investing in something that was going to be with us for the long haul. There were so many things from this site that we wanted to get because we also garden, as you all know, so we wanted to get the lemon, to rejuvenate our senses, things for possible headaches that could arise, and also for, menstrual or just everything. And we definitely wanted citronella for when we're outside. 3, 2, 1. So you all definitely check out the website shopmilaeve.com. We're going to show you all a wonderful self-care night coming up soon. Thank you so much for watching. And remember to take care of yourself, love yourself so you can give to others.